We are the chefs and we have the recipe for a perfect salad.
This salad has everything. A little sweetness, a bit of spice, and a whole lot of fluff.
Our first ingredient, culture, is the base of our salad. Culture is how we connect, express, and celebrate who we are together.
What are you doing, girl? Next, we add adventure. Adventures aren't always big. They're just moments that make your heart feel full. What do you think? Oh, they're so cute. You're from the 70s, but I'm the 90s, baby.
The third ingredient is fun. Fun isn't just what we do, it's who we are together. When we're with each other, even doing nothing feels like a party.
Now for the essential part of the mix, our facilitators. They teach, they guide, and they survive us. True heroes, really.
Teamwork brings it all together. It makes the dream work, always. We're almost finished now. The next ingredient? Wellness. Staying fresh is easy. All it takes is a good tarantella and a few warm cuddles.
We also add a few challenges, because life isn't always easy, but we overcome those moments together. We overcome those moments together with love.
And finally, our last ingredient,
Us.
We might be a temporary salad, but we'll always stay in each other's hearts and memories.